Hey guys, welcome back to my Crazy Big Black Family on YouTube. My Crazy Big Black Family, get subscribed guys to this video. This Vlogtober day number 6. Cooking a rib and chicken dinner for my family of 12 guys. Or yeah, 12 guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Happy Sunday guys. Happy Vlogtober day 6, and thanks for watching this video. And this is, like I said, a rib and a chicken dinner. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna probably put a little bit of barbecue sauce on these ribs once they're done. But these are country style pork ribs, some of them, because there's a lot. You didn't let me finish.
Put extra barbecue sauce on it.
She doesn't like barbecue sauce, guys. That's why I said she didn't let me finish, but I'm gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce. That's why there's another pan of chicken legs, which is gonna also, I'm not gonna probably, so I'll figure it out. Probably just put the barbecue sauce on the chicken and a little bit of the ribs and leave the rest without any barbecue sauce, because at God Inspires Life Coaching doesn't like barbecue sauce. So what I did with these ribs, guys, let me just tell you. I actually put a little onion seasoning flakes on there, onion powder. I cut up some celery, and then I just put some whole stalks of celery in there. Some slap your mama seasoning, black pepper, and some vegetable stock, which I actually put water in first. I don't know why, because I went shopping and bought so many stocks and I didn't even use it, but then I ended up using a little bit of vegetable stock. And what I did was I put some mustard on top of those ribs as a marinade to soak up the flavor. So those should be some really flavorful ribs, even if I don't put barbecue sauce on them, because of the celery is a very good flavor enhancer for pork. So these are pork ribs and for chicken. So just a little tip for y'all in the kitchen if you wanted to know. Celery, if you want something to taste really good, add a little couple of bits of celery or cut celery stalks to it, celery seasoning, anything. It will make it taste good. It kicks up the flavor. And then for my chicken, I basically did the same seasonings, and I put some celery in there as well. I cut up some celery stalks, and I put slap your mama seasoning, onion powder, onion flakes, and a little bit of black pepper. I forgot on both of those as well, guys. So we're going to have some basmati rice to go with that, and some kind of vegetables, guys. I haven't decided yet, but this is Sunday dinner, my Crazy Big Black Family style, for a family of 12, guys. Something to cook with a rib and chicken dinner. That is a dinner for a family of 12. You got a nice little Sunday dinner. You can have some rice with it, macaroni and cheese, but we're going to have just some basmati rice and some vegetables, guys. Thanks for watching this Vlogtober day number 6 video. And I hope you like this video. And if you do, please subscribe to my Crazy Big Black Family. Vlogtober day number 6. Stay tuned for more Vlogtober videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Get subscribed. Bye.